At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Political commentator Jermaine Barrett says the current upheaval in South Manchester may spell trouble for the Labour Party's hopes of retaining the seat in this year's general election. This after incumbent Member of Parliament Robert Chin lost an internal vote on Sunday after delegates opted for a different leader to represent the constituency. Barrett says Peter Bunting, the People's National Party standard bearer for the constituency, stands a very strong chance of reclaiming the seat for the party. My wisdom warriors, like seriously, on another level. Mighty God, what is really going on? What is really going on? You know, some have a strong feeling and you honest now call election with all of these stupid thing where them a do. Like, them really serious? Them really serious? A long time the people them say they don't want Robert Chin. You know how long the people them a protest? You know how long the people them a lick out upon Robert Chin? The people they don't want Robert Chin. Only just a few. Only just a few. You understand me? But then again, me no business with Uno. Me alone. Uno keep Robert Chin. Keep him there. That's enough to do. Keep him over there. But one thing with the Labour right them, my wisdom warriors. Oh, them stay so. Oh, them stay so. I want to set a warmonger them, you know. And I go on like them are good people. Them just a cuss them one another and I go on the most way. Imagine the people them vote for the next man and them out there war and a cuss the man. Can you imagine? But God work in mysterious ways. God work in mysterious ways, my people. Take a look at this. My wisdom warriors, wanna see how the little few people them are going? Wanna see the few people them are cuss the man will win the internal vote? You see how the little few people them are react? But you see, sometimes confusion after the day, you know. Sometimes confusion after the day. And as I said, God work in mysterious ways, my people. God work in mysterious ways because the people them over there do not want Robert Chin. They don't want Robert Chin. You understand? But them a little few you want Robert Chin to stay. And guess what? If Robert Chin stay, them realize, Andrew Holness realize, say, Peter Bunting have a strong chance of winning. This is why them want the next man to run. But guess what? Me want Robert Chin to stay. I want Robert Chin to stay. And then again, when I see the way how the people them a behave and of course be a bad one and I talk about something and them something there, I'm going to see the police them a lock them up. But make you out the road, I say these things. Make you out the road. Make a did PNP attack like that. You would see you quick they lock them up. You would see you quick them lock them up. My wisdom warriors, me I tell you about these people. Me tell you about them. Before they guard them yard, look how them a cuss and a behave. Andrew Holness a corruption. Andrew Holness is not a good prime minister. And look how them a cuss and a behave. Them a go and like say Andrew Holness a run country good. I saw them a behave. Like Andrew Holness a run country good. You see, say these people, they don't want nothing good. They don't want nothing good in a life. My wisdom warriors, want to tell me what to think about this. Because, you see, for me, you see, when them a do these type of things, Andrew Holness, we not call it election, you know. And I wonder if this a really serious thing or a act them a act. Because these things, we make Andrew Holness not call it election and we not depend that because election have to call. Election have to call. Andrew Holness, you need to come and do the right thing and set a date because we not depend this foolishness. We not business what no one do in our constituency. We not care what want happen. We not just call the election. Call the election because the whole of phone people full of confusion. You understand? And we not make sure we not confuse election no call. We not depend that. We not depend that because we know a phone plan, you know. We know a phone plan because you know we plan things and act it out. We not depend that. My wisdom warriors, when you see these type of things, you know, Andrew Holness we not call election. And me I tell you say election have to call not later than September. So you need to call a date. You need to call a date, brother, because we not depend this foolishness. We not depend this foolishness. You understand? We want an honest man to run the country. A man that care and love the people. And that the type of person that we want to run the country. My wisdom warriors, you tell me what you think about all this that is happening. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Me have a small clip when I want to watch with Damion Crawford because right now Damion Crawford come out and him not happy at all, especially with nationwide dirty behavior. Remember, you know, me telling you all the while say nationwide is an activist for the Jamaica Labour Party. Even though them are going like them are not activists, they are. Everybody can see it. And they're not hide. Everybody can see it. Especially George Davis, the whole of them. And guess what? Cliff Hughes is the same thing. He's no different. Because them out here and mislead the people and Damion Crawford tired of it. So my wisdom warriors, listen to our future education minister, Damion Crawford.
Yeah man, Jamaica. I'm making this video because I believe that the public mistake made by Nationwide cannot be corrected by simply removing the article nor a private conversation. It has long been my opinion that Nationwide is a station that has positioned themselves as an activist for the Jamaica Labour Party. That is no big deal to me because everybody have a right to choose how it is that they want and who it is that they want to lead their country. However, I believe it's a risk to democracy when a station proposing to be a journalist station is misleading and misguiding individuals with the information that they spread. I said before, and I'll always say, personally, I have respect for Cliff Hughes. I see his effort in building his business, in sustaining it, even though times are changing and the landscape has evolved. And I can imagine the effort when put in building his business and keeping his business. So I have respect and ratings for anybody, because I know the difficulty trying to build and keep a business. But I can't allow this one to slide without saying something publicly, because I don't believe the corrective actions are reasonable and fair. Anyway, I want you to listen to what I said on Sunday, and then we have a conversation after that. Please listen.
Freedom to achieve is one business per household. I tired to see in a one yard, two sisters have two different bars. You know, when we start do from one day, we start study rich people come on rich. I don't see rich people splinter up them effort and don't put it in a one accord. We want one business per household. Some people already have them business. All Scotty have to do is to improve it. Some people already and make them furniture, they might just want a sander. But when a man come to me and say want a start, it must be into something. You have some people that come for 3, 4 start, that a false start, disqualified.
So that is what I said in St. Elizabeth on Sunday. I was imploring the people, asking the people, yo, listen, invest in a business and work together as a family unit to build that business. I've seen it from people like Butch Stewart and his family. I've seen it from people like Grace Kennedy and what they have done as a family, CB Group, and what they have done as a family, the Hendricksons. And I said to the people, work together as a family. Somehow from that, Nationwide chose to put a headline that I basically suggest or promise that if PMP should get power, every household will have a business. That was never what I said, and could never be understood from what I said. I indeed made up the proposal that there would be a trust loan that increasingly offer more funds once a person proved their ability and willingness to pay. When I heard it and saw it, somebody sent me the headline. I contacted Nationwide, and having reviewed the tape, they recognized that there was a mistake. And yet still, the only solution that they have offered is simply to remove the misleading article and not to correct the statements that were made. Now, this is not the first time this is being done by Nationwide. In the last election, Nationwide carried an article that suggested that I said that we would remove money from PATH, or use PATH as a source of funding to fund the budget. Now, PATH isn't a source of income, and I actually said HEART. No, the proper pronunciation is HEART, H-E-A-R-T, HEART Trust. So I said HEART, and they said they heard PATH. When they listened, they couldn't figure if it was HEART or PATH, and instead of taking my explanation, instead of recognizing the facts that it could not have been PATH, being that PATH isn't a source of funds, they said that basically I'm offering an explanation. It wasn't an explanation, it was a misquote, and as far as I'm concerned, a purposeful misquote. What they're doing, in my opinion, is threatening democracy by suggesting journalistic confidence when they're actually acting in a way to try and position the PMP in a negative way, purposely. I repeat, there was never a time that I said the PMP will give people a business. There's no way the PMP could give people a business. I was encouraging the people, first of all, to be educated, to seek to own something, and to seek to make a profit by cooperating with each other within the family unit and the household as an entity. So I'm making this video not to disrespect, not to violate, but to ensure people understand, to take what Nationwide says about the People's National Party with a grain of salt, and also to recognize that there was never a time in that presentation that I suggested in any way that the PNP will give one business to every household unit. That is a ridiculous proposition that they could have easily called to clarify. So I would hope to get more reasonable redress. However, what they said was not true, and I believe it was purposeful.
So my wisdom warriors, only hear what Damion Crawford have to say. Me tell you about Nationwide. You know say me always a blast them over here. You know say me at half of the press always a blast them over here, so because them out here a give misinformation and a mislead Jamaica, and this is not safe for the people. This is not safe because you, Cliff Hughes, you and your whole team, you know say Andrew Holness is not for the people. But out here and make it look like Andrew Holness is for the people and PNP is not for the people. That's how make it look. And everything PNP do, always dig for the worst. And when Andrew Holness out there doing wrong, put out the best. For stop it. Is not for Jamaica. No love Jamaica nationwide. No love Jamaican people. And no love the country. All you think about is money. All you think about is money. This is why you out here and mislead. Imagine you put out this thing about Damion Crawford on a page. Damion Crawford talk to you about it. You only remove it. But you shame like a dog. And you know what I do is wrong. You no come out and correct it and make everybody know. My wisdom warriors. Yeah? Our democracy is at risk. When you have these type of people come out on radio station a full up our Jamaican people head of foolishness, our democracy is at risk. Our democracy is at risk, my wisdom warriors. These type of people need to come down now. These type of people need to come down now. Them license to get take away. Them license to remove. But true, because they end up on the government side, you see. The government now go remove it. Look how much money them owe. 1 billion out of tax. There's allegations out there. 1 billion out of taxpayer money for we Jamaican people, for own taxpayer money. Them owe we. Them owe we, my wisdom warriors. Jamaica, nationwide is not for you. Nationwide is not for Jamaica. Because them out here and mislead the Jamaican people. And it is sad just to show you. So they don't want Jamaican people to uplift and make it in a life. Nationwide, this is really, really bad. Seriously. Me can't believe. I am so disappointed. I really cannot believe. And for no station to come down now, me can't wait for Mark Golden win because you have a blouse and skirt lift up. Me now ask Christ, it's a problem. You have to lift up. It's when Mark Golden win, we don't have to lift up. Me not ask Christ. We don't want nobody. We are mislead the Jamaican people for your ear. We don't want nobody, no radio station. We are mislead the Jamaican people. Have no ear time. We not depend on that. Because we are for the people. We care for the people. You understand? We don't care for nobody. We only care for yourself. And money we not getting in our pocket. And this is wrong. It is unacceptable. You understand me? It is unacceptable. They must set me on the right, Jamaica. They must set me on the right. They must set me on the right. That's why the time when Damion Crawford went and do an interview with them, it burned me. Remember, some come out and did a cuss about it? And I said, why Damion even go and do interview with them? No PNP politician, no for go do no interview with Nationwide. Or no for stop that foolishness too. Or no for cut it out. You understand? You have to cut that out. Because when you say a radio station is frig up against our people, never go and do interview with them. Because them all are activists. Look how the way them talk about Mark Golden. Look how the way them even talk about PJ Patterson. That is stinking, broad face, board face George Davis. Look how the way them out here talk about our former prime minister where everybody know in the world and love in the world. Look how Judge Davis talk about PJ Patterson. Like PJ Patterson never do nothing. Like PJ Patterson is the worst. And look for Andrew Holness, we are thief charity money. And you now can't talk about that. Look for Andrew Holness, we are thief people them land under style. And you see a man come out and justify it. And you know say that them a do. Oh, man, me can't wait for the day you come down, you know. Me can't wait for the day you come down. I want to say some things, you know, Jamaica. But me can't say it, you know. I want to say some things, you know. But me have to hold my tongue. Can you see the things that me I go say? Hey. You see the things what me I go say? But me I hold my tongue. But I say God not going to give we more than what we can bear. Remember. And you, Cliff Hughes, you know what you're doing. And you have to stop it. And guess what? You still have to go pay the $1 billion. You see the $1 billion out of taxpayer? You have to pay that rotted wall. We're not in a no joke with UNO. We're not in a no joke. And we're not skin, no teeth. We're not skin, no teeth. So, I don't know if a bully wanna get bully. I don't know if wanna get bully or what. Me could do this and mislead Jamaican people for one man because you no want pay $1 billion out of tax you owe. You have something coming. If that is the case, let me tell you now, you have something coming. Because I could have even 100 years, you have to pay that rotted hole. You have to pay it. My wisdom warriors, we can't joke with these people. These type of people will come out and mislead and tell lie on the PNP. We can't joke with them. Kin teeth and a laugh. Kin teeth and a laugh because they out here mislead the Jamaican people and a skin off them 28, them 27 and them 32. And we not depend that with them. We not depend that with them. You understand? Me hear George Davis come out and him say, well, if we think so Tracing can win election. Tracing can win election, but you coming out and misleading and giving misinformation, we win election. No worry on yourself. Don't worry on yourself. God is in control. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about it. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.
Today I want to talk to you about the importance of getting enumerated. Now, imagine looking around your constituency, your community, and identifying things that you want changed, but you don't have a say in making those changes. If you get registered to vote today or before March 31st, you'll become eligible to vote by May 31st. So I want to implore you to get on the voters list, get registered so that you can have a meaningful say in the changes that are effected in your constituency.